Hi everyone, I thought I'd just share this little image for you. It's the S&P, as you can see there, the S&P 500 that I'm showing, and then the price over the last 10 years ending 2020, okay, and how it's performed over that period. And there are certain months, April, for instance, where you're pretty much guaranteed a positive return if you were to go by merely 10 months worth of data. I'm not necessarily... We do that. One of the reasons I wanted to show this is the old saying, sell in May, go away. And the idea being that you're less likely to get a return. I'm not sure you can see that, can you? So, off the back of that. But like I said, one of the our best months might be behind us. July's not too bad either. June, pretty mixed, isn't it? July's not too bad historically, so we'll see. I don't want you to read too much into this. It's just one of the sort of things I might look at for fun on here. Were I to look at a line chart, well, it's a lot more difficult to understand that, isn't it? Let us look at monthly averages. There you go, a little bit easier, not really. Anyway, that's where we are. I thought you might want to have a look at that, and I thought it'd just be a little bit of interesting thing to show you with that. Okay.